Supreme Court nominee, soon to be justice, could not define the word woman. Yo, they couldn't. The Democrat Party refused to define what the word woman meant just a few days ago. Refused to. Now all of a sudden this happened. By the way, and I kind of wrote this, and I'm just going to talk about it real fast because I think it's very interesting. The transgender community just got its first abandonment moment from the Democrat Party. And it's true. The transgender community up until a few days ago was infallible. You could not say anything bad about them. Everything that they said was correct, whether it defied biology or science or not. Now all of a sudden, everything that they have been saying about the transgender community since 2015 is moot. Just in this one moment. Because now all of a sudden, we're back to women's rights. There was no women just a minute ago. Now all of a sudden, there are women. The transgender community was like the highest and holiest of groups under the protective umbrella of the Democrats. And now all of a sudden, they're nothing. They're chopped liver. All the people who got mad at people like J.K. Rowling and the radical feminists who got banned from Twitter for refusing to say that women and men were interchangeable and that there was no real difference and that, men who identify as women are women, the feminists, radical feminists who refuse to say that and were banned off of Twitter suddenly are right again. It really just goes to show you, chat. The Democrat Party has no friends. They do not have any friends. They have allies that are convenient in the moment. And I hope the transgender community, and pretty much anybody watching, whether it's the LGBT community, the black community, the Asian community, it doesn't matter what community or group you belong to, the Democrats do not have any loyalty toward you. They might make you think for a while that you are the most important person in the room, that anything bad happening to you is bad for society. They might make you think that you are invincible, all-powerful, infallible, and everything under the sun that essentially makes you nothing short of a god. But the moment you become inconvenient, the moment that you become less than useful, is the moment that you're discarded by the Democrat Party. The transgender community has been discarded by the Democrat Party because of this issue. They remembered that abortion was a galvanizing issue, like Dennis said, and now they had a reason to put that forward. They had a reason to make that an issue again with this draft decision that was leaked from SCOTUS. And like a child who got bored with a toy, they were like, "Hey!" That's pretty much how it went. I hope that every group watching remembers this. The transgender community was the holiest of holies up until a few days ago.